Hello techies, this is Amol Amkar. Welcome to the Tech Blooded YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how we can generate Wikipedia summaries using Python. Before we dive into the tutorial, please subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon button for further notifications. I hope you all know about Wikipedia. If not, then please do search on it. Wikipedia is the world's largest free encyclopedia. It is the land full of information. We are going to access that information using Python. So let's get started. The Python library called Wikipedia allows us to easily access and pass the data from Wikipedia. So the first step for this tutorial is to install Wikipedia library using command pip install Wikipedia. So let's do that. Pip install Wikipedia. So requirement already satisfied, mine is already installed. Let's see how we can work with it, and to use it first we need to import it using import Wikipedia. So let's import it. Import Wikipedia. Wikipedia library is imported. It has many methods, so one by one we will see how we can work with those methods. First method is search. Search method returns the search result for the query. So we will directly print Wikipedia dot search method. In the search method we will pass the topic, means the query for which we want information. So we will pass the topic Python. Wikipedia.search returns the search results for us, which are the top search results. So let's run it. And these are the top search results for the query Python, Python programming language, Monty Python, Python. So if we want top 3 results, then we will pass results equal to 3, and after running it, this will give us top 3 results for this query: Python programming language, Python, Monty Python. If we made spelling mistake in the query, then suggestion equal to true will suggest us correct topic on that basis of the query. So if we put suggestion equal true, and if we run this, then suggestion is none. But if we did spelling mistake and run it, then it will suggest us Python. If we do spelling mistake in the search, then suggestion equal to true will give us the proper suggestion for our query. Main topic of our tutorial: how to get summary of particular topic. Then let's print the summary of particular topic. Wikipedia dot summary method we will use, and in the summary we will pass the topic. Suppose we pass the Python. Let's comment it out. Suppose we pass Python, and if we run this, so let's look at this. This is disambiguous error because Python has too many topics, so we need to be particular with topic. Python, suppose I pass Python bracket language, and then if I run this, so here it is. I got the particular summary for Python language, and this is a summary from the Wikipedia. So be particular with your query, otherwise you will get this error if Wikipedia has more pages related to your query. Also, Wikipedia information is available in the many languages. So we can fetch the list of languages in which we can get the Wikipedia information. So let's print the list of languages. Wikipedia dot languages will return us the list of languages in which we fetch the information from the Wikipedia. Let's run this, and these are the languages in which we can get the information from the Wikipedia. So let's see how many these are. So length of Wikipedia languages, and these are 463. Wikipedia supports 463 languages, so we can get the information in all of these languages. And if you want to check is particular language is present in this Wikipedia languages, so only you have to do, suppose we want to check English is present in the Wikipedia languages, so print en English in Wikipedia dot languages. If English is present in Wikipedia dot languages, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So let's run this, and yeah, it returns true, means English is present in Wikipedia dot languages. So you can check it for any language, and you can also set the language for your script. Means if you do Wikipedia dot set language and put language here, suppose we put French language, and then language is set as a French, and after this, if you want to get summary for any particular topic, you will get the summary in that particular language, the language you set for the Wikipedia. Let's print any topic, print Wikipedia dot summary for topic. Let's Python. So I put Python here, and if we run this, we get information in a French language for the Python topic, and this is the information for the Python programming language in French language. So we can set language, any language from these 463 languages for your Wikipedia information, for your Wikipedia summary. So tech kids, I hope you all understood the tutorial to generate Wikipedia summary to check languages which are available for you in the Wikipedia library. If you love this tutorial, please like it and subscribe to our channel for upcoming amazing tutorial. So guys, see you in the next tutorial, and till then, keep coding.